अब बात करते हैं matrimony.com की। 1,500 करोड़ रुपए से ज्यादा के मार्केट कैप वाली matrimony.com इंटरनेट और मोबाइल प्लेटफॉर्म्स के जरिए ऑनलाइन मैच मेकिंग सर्विसेज देती है। अब नतीजों की बात करें तो सालाना आधार पर जो आय है 6% बढ़कर तकरीबन 125 करोड़ रुपए रही है। मुनाफे के फ्रंट पर 19% की बढ़ोतरी हासिल हुई है, 14 करोड़ के आसपास इसको भी पोस्ट किया गया है। हालांकि मार्जिन में हमने कुछ प्रेशर बनता हुआ देखा है। नतीजों के लिए महत्वपूर्ण ट्रिगर्स कौन से रहे हैं, मौजूदा डिमांड की ट्रेंड कैसी है, आगे की ग्रोथ आउटलुक, सब पर हम विस्तार से बात करेंगे। हमारे साथ कंपनी के मैनेजमेंट जुड़ चुके हैं, आइए उनका स्वागत करते हैं और जानते हैं कि अब यहां से क्या आउटलुक बनता दिखाई दे रहा है। तो सुशांत पाई जी हमारे साथ शो में शामिल हो चुके हैं। मिस्टर पाई, गुड आफ्टरनून सर, बहुत स्वागत है आपका जी बिजनेस पे। सर सबसे पहले तो आपके लिए अच्छा क्वार्टर रहा है, मैं नंबर्स देखूं तो ठीक ठाक ही रहे हैं, क्या हाईलाइट्स रहे हैं इस तिमाही के?
Thank you, Neha, for having me here. I hope you're able to hear me clearly.
सर आपकी आवाज एकदम क्लियर आ रही है।
Yeah. Okay. Good afternoon to everyone. Yeah, so we had a good quarter. If you compare to quarter 4, our momentum was very good. On a consolidated basis, our quarter 1 momentum, the growth was about 7.7% quarter on quarter, so that was good. Even from an overall billings perspective, we sort of, reached the 500 crore run rate on a quarterly basis. So we were at 124.5. So we were very close to that. So overall, it's been a good quarter. The other thing is also we did accelerate in profits, right? From 11 crores or so in quarter 4, we have now come to 14 crores in this quarter. So even from a profit basis, we also saw good year-on-year growth on paid profile. So that was the other highlight of this quarter. So I think overall, on all-round basis, I think it was a reasonably good quarter for us.
ओके, वेरी वेल सर, थोड़ा मार्जिन्स पे आप फोकस कर लेते हैं। हमने देखा है सिर्फ अभी नहीं, पिछले 4-5 क्वार्टर्स अगर ले ले तो हमने देखा है कि आपका जो मार्जिन है 15 से 17% के आसपास बना हुआ है। तो सर ये जो ट्रेंड है इसमें कुछ सुधार की आप सोच रहे हैं या अभी मार्जिन्स को इसी में मेंटेन करने का इरादा है, क्या प्लान है सर?
Yeah, see, what we have said for quarter 2 is that, whatever the margins we achieved in quarter 2 of last year, that is in FY23, we will exceed those margins. So that is the way to see it. So in quarter 2 of FY23, our profit after tax was approximately 11 crores plus. And so therefore, in quarter 2, we feel that we will exceed that number in the coming quarter. So that's how it is. But it is like a slow improvement because there are many other costs that are coming into the pipeline. That is.
ओके सर, अब आपके ज़रा सेगमेंट रेवेन्यूज़ की अलग अलग से हम थोड़ा विस्तार में बात कर लेते हैं। आपने कहा कि दोनों सेगमेंट्स में प्रदर्शन काफ़ी अच्छा रहा है। सर पहले तो मुझे बताइए, जो आपका मैच मेकिंग सेगमेंट है इसके हाइलाइट्स क्या रहे? यहाँ पर 6% की वाई आधार पर बढ़त देखने को मिली है, क्या की फैक्टर्स रहे हैं और अब आगे इसको लेकर क्या प्लान है?
So if you see matchmaking, right, we are into personalized services. We are into basic services like Bharat Matrimony, Community Matrimony. 1.5 years back, we started Jodi, which is the first vernacular in this space. We have 9 languages in this space. So all put together, we are growing at different levels. So personalized services is also showing some good growth. Jodi has seen some traction. So all put together, and our segmentation strategies are working, our pricing strategies are working. So all of these put together have yielded this growth. So therefore, these strategies will continue in the future as well. That's the way we see matchmaking. Continuously, we are also innovating. If you see last year, we did Techie Matrimony. We started something called Rainbow Love. So we continuously innovate to make sure the customers find their life partner in the best way possible.
ओके अच्छा सर, आपने जो मैरिजेस का अपना सेक्शन शुरू किया, हमारी पहले भी इस पर बात हो चुकी है। सर मुझे बताइए उसको लेकर किस तरह का प्लान है और उसका परफॉर्मेंस कैसा रहा है, क्या प्लान है उसको लेकर आगे जरा बताएंगे?
Yeah. So if you see marriage services, we are somewhere in the 2 crores plus sort of run rate. So last quarter, the revenue was 2.7 crores and that grew 49% year on year. So we are continuing on this track. Last year we were close to about 10 crores. So we are doing a lot of changes in this business to make sure the customers get value. So it's a little slow process, but we hope that we'll improve as the quarters go by. This business is also not profitable right now. It is about a 3 crore loss every quarter. We are having plans to make sure that business slowly improves on this loss as well. Slowly we want to make it break even by the end of this year.
ओके और सर आगे के लिए क्या प्लान है, मतलब आने वाले कुछ सालों के लिए, क्योंकि ये आपका नया सेगमेंट है. आपने आपने जो यहाँ पर मैच मेकिंग सेगमेंट है उसमें भी आपने बताया कि बहुत सारे अलग अलग आप कह सकते हैं डिविजन्स आपने शुरू किए हैं, बहुत सारे अलग अलग आप सर्विसेज लेकर आए हैं. इसको ग्रो होने में और कितना समय लगने वाला है?
Yeah, all businesses have been there for a long time, except for Jodi, which was started 1.5 years. So Jodi will take time. Slowly we have to, the ecosystem has to be built. People have to come, renew. So that will take some time. But all the others are established businesses. So all put together, like for example, last couple of years back, we also forayed into Bangladesh. But those are all small things. But the point I'm trying to make is we are looking at all avenues such that, we capture a good portion of the market in the matchmaking business, and that sort of a trend will continue in the future as well.
All right. अच्छा सर, करेक्ट मी इफ आई एम रॉन्ग, आपका शायद matrimony.com का कुछ गूगल के साथ डिस्प्यूट चल रहा है. आई थिंक उनके कुछ मैंडेटरी बिलिंग सिस्टम को लेकर. सर बताएंगे कि ये इशू क्या है, डिस्प्यूट क्या है एग्जैक्टली?
See, our dispute is that Google is charging a very big fee for using that, for us to use that payment system.
Okay.
So we have filed to the court and appeal is pending now. It will come up anytime. But however, since the appeal is pending, we have made some provision in Q1 on our best estimate basis as a disputed service fee. So we are not agreeing the service fee that Google is charging because we believe it is, sort of discriminatory and it is very big sort of a thing for using the payment system. And therefore, because the accounting works differently, we have made, whatever on the best estimate this provision. Okay. But in spite of this, despite all of these things, you can see Q1, our profits have accelerated. And we are also said that next quarter, even if we have to provide, our profits will be better than what we achieved in Q2 of last year.
Okay. Achha,
so
sir,
this is an ongoing litigation. It will take time. But because the appeal is still pending, we took this call based on prudence.
ओके. अच्छा सर, मैं कहीं पढ़ रही थी कि शायद मद्रास हाई कोर्ट में आपकी प्ली रिजेक्ट हो गई है. इज दैट राइट सर? एंड इफ सो तो अब अगला कदम क्या होगा सर आपका?
Yeah, so that is what. So what happened is the Madras High Court rejected our claim. So now we have filed an appeal with the division bench.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. So the next stage, yes.
अच्छा सर, ये जिस फीस की ये गूगल बात कर रहा है, जो आप पे चार्ज करने की बात कर रहे हैं, क्या प्रोपोर्शन है सर इसका? और अगर आपको ये मानना पड़ता है, ये बाध्यता आ जाती है, तो कितना इम्पैक्ट गोइंग फॉरवर्ड पड़ेगा सर आने वाले क्वार्टर्स में?
Yeah, see, because of the sensitivity of this case and the appeal is pending, we can't disclose much as of now. Okay. But all I'm trying to say is that whatever Google wants to charge, the disputed service fee, we have made a best estimate basis and provided in our Q1. And in spite of the provision, we have grown in profits. We are also saying in case we have to provide in Q2 also, I've told you that, typically we'll be better than what we achieved in Q2 of last year. Because it's an ongoing litigation and sensitivities involved, we don't want to say much on any numbers because the Google agreement also is a little complicated in terms of which bracket, where we fall and those sort of things.